Hi everyone, Mike Avelar from Avelar Home Inspection Inc. And today I'd like to go over a few things that you should be doing on the monthly. So some of those things are checking your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors to make sure that they're working properly. Checking your ground fault interrupts. Those are those little GFI receptacles usually found in your bathroom and kitchen. All you have to do to test that is push the little button, and then if it plug something in, it doesn't work, it's working, push the little button again, the reset button, and that will reset it and your appliance should be working again. Also, make sure to check air filters inside of your furnace. You should change these once a month. Now, if you have an automatic garage door opener, it's important to make sure that all the safety features are working on that. The laser eye, the downforce, and the upforce is important to make sure that those are calibrated properly for safety reasons, especially if you have pets or small children. Range hood filters should be cleaned once a month. If you have a central vacuum system, make sure you empty the canister once a month and make sure that the filter is clean. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and share.